Hello everybody, it's Miss Moreland. Today we're going to make these cute little emoji bookmarkers. I hope you enjoy this art project. Here are the supplies you're going to need: a cup, crayons, pencil, scissors, and a yellow 8.5 by 10 piece of paper. If you don't have a yellow piece of paper, you can use a white 8.5 by 10 paper and just color it in yellow. You're going to take your yellow paper and fold it in half evenly, trying to match each corner. When you make the crease, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along the crease. Now you should have two rectangles. You're going to take the one rectangle and line the corner of it to the edge of the paper. It should look something like this. Then you're going to take your scissors and cut along the side of the triangle. After you're done cutting, you're going to leave it folded. You're going to take the right side of the folded triangle and fold it up to the top of the triangle. You're going to take the left side of the triangle and fold it up to the top of the corner so the two ends meet. And make sure your crease in the middle is nice and tight and close together. Then you're going to open up the ends. You're going to take the center of your triangle and fold it down, and make sure that fold is nice and tight and even. Then you're going to take the right side of your triangle and you're going to fold it over again, and you're going to tuck the tip of that triangle inside the center of the triangle. Let's try that again. On the left side, you're going to fold it up and you're going to tuck the end of that triangle inside that little pocket of the center of the triangle. Now you should have either a square or a diamond depending on how you hold it. I'm going to turn it around so it looks like a diamond and my creases and folds are on top. So you're going to take your diamond and turn it over, leaving the creases on the top. So right now you should see a smooth surface. You're going to take your cup and you're going to try to center it on top of your diamond. You should be able to see all 4 points of the diamond sticking out of the cup, which is good. You're going to then take your pencil and you're going to trace the outside edge of your cup. Once you are done tracing your outside edges, you're going to remove the cup and you should see this. You are going to cut those pencil marks that you made on your diamond, and only those pencil marks. Now your emoji should look something like this. It is okay that you did not cut all the way around. You should have some folded edges. That will keep your emoji together and prevent it from falling apart. Now we're going to draw the eyes and mouth. I decided to make a laugh out loud emoji or a smiley face emoji. What emoji are you going to make with your art project? Send us a picture. I would love to see it.